So guys, today we are gonna run Android on our PC using Virtualbox. For your convenience, I have added the download link to the ISO file in my description. So click on it and download the ISO. Now let's start by opening the Oracle Virtualbox. If you don't have it, I also have the download link in my description. Click on new. At the name box, type any line. So I am typing Android here. Okay, now in version box, select Linux. Now I have a 64-bit Android ISO, so I am taking Ubuntu 64. Now for memory, you have to choose 2 GB, that is 2048 MB. Create a virtual hard disk. Select virtual hard disk, that is the VHD. Select the fixed size. Now I am choosing a size of 4 GB. Create. I will take a moment to create the virtual hard disk, so we can wait. Okay, now the virtual hard disk is created. So double click on that to open the virtual OS. Now the virtual OS box is got. Now we have to do is go to our downloaded file. So for my convenience, I am cutting and pasting it on desktop so I can find it quickly. No need to browse so much to find that. Pasting it on desktop. So back to VirtualBox and browse and find your file and select it from desktop. I am doing here from desktop. Now start. Okay, now it started. Select live CD. It's a bit lagging, but I think it's gonna work. Okay, boom, the Android is here. We have done everything right. You will get this screen, and it takes some time, but I think it's gonna boot up. Let's see if it's works. Let's move to full screen mode. Oh, it takes more time than I thought. Okay, now we are in the window. Let's go. Oh, it's a bit difficult to control the mouse. Okay, setting up. These are all the baby stuff that everyone can do. I'm skipping everything. I'm not logging in my Google account or doing that kind of stuff that we do on our smartphone. I'm just skipping every step and directly going into our operating system, that is the Android, and checking which Android version it has. So skipping all these steps. The time, okay, my name, Robin Joe, type your name in the Okay, agree, there are terms and conditions. It's really hard to control the mouse, I think. Should have to drag the mouse. Okay, now it's almost done. Oh my god, Android is here on your PC. Better now. Now let's check which version of Android it has. What's the settings? Okay, I got the settings. And game. Tapping. Oh, it's got a Nougat. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.